Mureen here of Embedded Computing Design. We're here at the McObject booth, which is Hall 1, booth 500 at Embedded World 2020. And I'm here with Chris Mureen, who is the COO of McObject. How you doing?
Doing well. How are you doing?
Doing really well, thanks. So, Internet of Things devices, a lot of them need to read data, they need to write data, they need to do it really quickly at the edge. Not every one of them needs an embedded database, but a lot of them could benefit from them. Why is that?
That's right. Well, the problem is that these types of devices that need it, you got to make decisions at the device itself. And in those particular cases, whether it be monitoring a piece of process control equipment or maybe a medical device, it's got to be extremely fast and incredibly reliable.
So what happens, a lot of these edge devices may be distributed and they may be in remote locations. What happens, say, one of them goes offline? Like, how does an embedded database help, like McObject?
Can be a big problem,
Right.
can be a big problem. You either have to write software to allow that to accumulate on a local device or wherever the gateway is or whatever might go offline, or you can buy third-party products that do that and you need to integrate it yourself. We've got a great solution for that. eXtremeDB has a version that allows you to automatically communicate between the device to gateway to the cloud. And if it does go offline, we'll handle all that queuing and accumulation for you. And when it comes back online, it's all whole and synchronized.
Well, that's awesome. I mean, so it's fast, it's reliable, and behind us you have a little bit of a demonstration here. I know that you don't develop GUIs or any of that stuff, but what are we seeing?
Well, this is a paper processing facility, and our example has multiple devices that are talking to a couple of the gateways, and that rolls up to a server.
Okay.
And so what we're showing here is these are reading temperature, humidity, vibration, and they're making decisions at the actual piece of equipment itself. So if any of this is off, the equipment's adjusted, because it's extremely expensive if you screw up a batch of paper that you're trying to create.
Right.
So you can adjust it and make sure it stays in sync and working properly. Now what we can show is you can take it offline at any point, and this device is still working, still doing its job on the equipment, but it's lost communication with the gateway. And as you can see, it's telling us we have an hour and over 30 minutes left with internal memory to still accumulate data to refer to later, but whenever it comes back online, this then sends data over the network, and you can see as it'll spike up as it communicates to the gateway, and there you go. So we're automatically handling that for you.
That's amazing. I every time I talk to companies about what they're doing at the edge, there are a bunch of concerns about lack of reliability, losing connection, so on and so forth. And this looks like a pretty excellent solution for that, especially in those types of applications where everything's critical, right?
It absolutely is, and it's a one of a kind. You're not going to find a database system like this anywhere in the market. It's incredibly fast and it's well proven in the market too.
That's very good. Well, thank you very much, Chris. I appreciate it. That was Chris Mureen. We are here in Embedded World 2020. If you want to find out more about how to improve the reliability of your IoT edge systems, stop by Hall 1, booth 500.
Thank you.